Hello everyone, today I am going to show you an impressive feature, the ability to access your code from anywhere with Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Let's create a folder. App, then let's open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so under app folder we can create a file. Let's give it a name as index.html. Okay, so let's create the HTML template here. Okay, so title we can give as this is a HTML page, sample page. Okay, and in the body we can say the h1 tag that welcome to my page. Okay, and then let's create a paragraph and say this is a short description about my page, something like that. Well, so this is my source code, right? So this code is now sitting in my computer. Now we can turn on the remote tunnel access so that we can access this source code from anywhere using the browser. Okay, so click on the accounts, then turn on remote tunnel access, turn on for this session. Okay, you have two options here. You can sign in with GitHub or you can sign in with Microsoft. I'm gonna use GitHub, authorize from GitHub. Okay, starting remote tunnel. Okay, so here's a link. Copy browser link to clipboard. Okay, then let's go to the browser. First of all, I'm saving the link in a notepad. Okay, now let's go to the browser. Okay, it's opening. Sign in, allow, continue. Opening remote. Okay, connecting to Ripon. Looks like it is now connected. We have app folder and index, and if you see, this is the same folder and file here we have in our Visual Studio Code, right? Now if I make any changes here, let's say this is a HTML sample page. If I remove that sample page and save it, you will see it is removed here. Also, if I make any changes here, modified page, right, and if I go back to the browser, you would see that this is the same modified page here. That means we can access the source code using the tunnel. So this is a very convenient feature from Visual Studio Code, right? Okay, now if you want to turn off the feature, you can click on the accounts, then click on the remote tunnel access on, and then here is like turn off remote tunnel access. That's it. Once you turn it off, you cannot access it from the browser. So it is trying to connect to the remote access, but it will not be able to connect there. So that's all I have in this episode. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that as soon as I submit a new video, you will get the notification. Thank you. See you in another video.